Hello and welcome to Webshala, and in today's video we'll be talking about Salesforce. We'll cover everything you need to know about this powerful customer relationship management platform. So, what exactly is Salesforce? Simply put, it's a cloud-based software platform that helps businesses manage customer relationships and streamline their sales, marketing, and customer service processes. The platform offers a suite of tools and applications designed to help businesses of all sizes connect with their customers, automate their workflows, and drive growth. Salesforce was founded in 1999 and has since become one of the most popular and widely used CRM platforms in the world. It's used by businesses in a variety of industries, including healthcare, finance, retail, and more. Salesforce offers a wide range of tools and applications, including sales automation, marketing automation, customer service, and analytics, all of which are designed to help businesses improve their customer relationships and drive growth. One of the key features of Salesforce is its user-friendly interface. The platform is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, which means that businesses can get up and running quickly and start seeing results right away. Additionally, Salesforce offers a robust set of training resources and support services, which can help businesses maximize the value of the platform and get the most out of their investment. Another important feature of Salesforce is its flexibility. The platform is highly customizable, which means that businesses can tailor it to their specific needs and workflows. Whether you need to automate your sales process, create targeted marketing campaigns, or provide exceptional customer service, Salesforce offers the tools and functionality you need to succeed. One of the most popular tools in the Salesforce suite is the Sales Cloud. This tool is designed to help businesses manage their sales pipeline and automate their sales processes. With Sales Cloud, businesses can track leads, manage contacts, and close deals faster than ever before. The platform also offers powerful analytics and reporting tools, which can help businesses gain valuable insights into their sales performance and identify areas for improvement. Another key tool in the Salesforce suite is the Marketing Cloud. This tool is designed to help businesses create targeted, personalized marketing campaigns that drive engagement and conversions. With Marketing Cloud, businesses can create and manage email campaigns, social media campaigns, and other digital marketing initiatives all from one centralized platform. The platform also offers advanced analytics and reporting tools, which can help businesses measure the effectiveness of their campaigns and optimize their marketing strategies. Finally, Salesforce offers a powerful customer service tool called the Service Cloud. This tool is designed to help businesses provide exceptional customer service and support. With Service Cloud, businesses can track customer inquiries, manage customer cases, and provide support across multiple channels, including phone, email, social media, and more. The platform also offers advanced analytics and reporting tools, which can help businesses identify areas for improvement and optimize their customer service workflows. In conclusion, Salesforce is a powerful CRM platform that offers a wide range of tools and applications designed to help businesses improve their customer relationships and drive growth. With its user-friendly interface, flexibility, and powerful suite of tools, Salesforce is a popular choice for businesses of all sizes and industries. So, if you're looking to learn Salesforce, check out our courses at www.webshala.in. Thanks for watching.